Good morning, traders. Let's see what's happening in GBPINR. So, in daily time frame, GBPINR is in a bull trend, which is low, high, higher, low. It took a support at this area. The market started moving upward. On overall trend, let's see on higher time frames how the market is behaving. Fine. So in a higher time frame, if you see it's moving in ascending trend line pattern, one, two, three, another support. This is another support. The market is moving. Currently, the current market price is testing the resistance, which is formed in these 3 years, like from 2013 to 2015. So it's testing this resistance, and if it breaks, the market can go high, and then again come for a correction, and then it goes in a zigzag manner. Fine. This is the 12-month target which I've marked in. I'll show that as well. Not a big deal. Fine. So this is low, high, higher, low for this swing. The target which I marked over here is this. This is 123.4599, and this is very longer time trend. So let's see on a lower time frame where we can take up the trades. So let's see in the weekly. Weekly is in bull. Fine. It took a support from this resistance. Sorry, support line which I have shown you in my previous time frames, like monthly. No, see this one, the same line is in weekly. Fine. Now here we are in. Let's see in daily. We are in higher low. Fine. So here I have marked the trend line, and then this is one daily support, and this is another daily support. In between there are a couple of supports which are meant to be in a 4 hour time frame. I'll get back to that immediately. Fine. So this is in daily. This is daily support, and this is the daily resistance. Now this swing which I've drawn over here, and these are the zones for the lower time frames. Why I have marked these two zones is understanding the support and resistance of a higher time frame. We can expect the market, how far the market can go. So this is a buy, and I can expect the market in daily time frame to go up max to 107.9 to 107.6 range. This is the one. So in lower time frame, I have enough space from the current market price to this, which is 1 rupee 60 paisa. Fine. So in lower time frame, sorry, wait, let me see. Okay, fine. So now at the daily time frame, the range which I have found is this to this. From the current market price, I can expect to go this one, which is 1.6. Fine. In lower time frame, I can tighten these area. Fine. I can tighten these area. From here I can look for all the possible trends. Now here in higher time frame, that is in daily, it is in bull trend. At lower time frames, I can look for maximum, and what will for a look out for all the opportunities which are in a bull run. Fine. That is buy opportunities. Reason is higher time frame is in buy, so the lower time frames, the bull run will be much faster, meaning the impulse wave will be the faster in pace. So being on the trend, along with the trend, will make our target hit much faster, and the um, what do we say, so it's going along with the trend makes us be in a profitable trade. That's the ideal thing. Why I'm looking high time frame is to understand at higher time frame at what max the target is, so that I can plan all my lower time frame trades to that particular target and wait for the further correction or further trends to happen at higher time frame once the target is reached here. Got it? Now let's dive into lower time frame. I'm shrinking this area further down. This is in daily. I'm moving to 4 hour now. Watch clearly. This line which I've drawn, this is dailies. This is a daily support. This is a daily resistance. Here I have drawn zones here. This one, and this one, and right now this one. Fine. So these are the different support and resistance which I've drawn here. For the current market price is testing at this resistance here in 4 hour. If this breaks, so I can expect the market next to reach is this one. Fine. Again, I'm shrinking the time frames from 4 hour, so that I can further, whoever is doing intraday or scalping, they can still shrink the time frame at this area. Fine. Now, if you see, this has broke here higher high in 4 hour, so that this became one big support for daily, and the market is expected to go till this top. Similarly, this is broken now. Similarly, this has broken now. Now, if you see the 4 hours, this resistance and daily's resistance both are in a coinciding one another. Now this one, let me shrink this one as well. This is the 4 hour zones. Go to 1 hour. If you see, you can see the trend here. I can draw a trend line. So one, two, three, and four, and low, high, and higher low. Now it is in buy. Fine. So once if there is a trend reversal in 30 minutes or 15 minutes in lower time frame, or any of the trend reversal techniques you are following, you can do that. Else you can wait for a 4 hour candle to close above this level, which is 106.28 to 106.24. If a 4 hour candle closes above 106.28, then you can look for all buy opportunities on lower time frame, and you can expect the target in a 4 hour time frames till here 107.2 to 107.08, this one. So here you can look for further tradings, like for the trades on a lower time. This is daily target, this is a 4 hour target. Fine. Once I this candle completes, I can lock my trades within, sorry, within this zone, and I can go for further lower time frames. Fine. So wait for the candle to close this one, then you can decide to take a trade. Then based on this swing, you can further decide your target. So fine, I can expect the target till here or this one and this one. So which will be, sorry, after this closure assuming. So if I say this is my target, so 30 pies. So GBPINR. So if I say 30 pies 0.3878 into a lot size is 1000, so one lot can give you 384 rupees. So if you multiply by lot size, I say 10 lots, it's 3800. So this we can do. So 30 minutes time frame, the target can hit, he can be hit in a day or two. If it is volatile, it can hit in a day or two. So likewise, plan the trades in a lower time frame given the targets of the higher time frames, and go ahead. This is one great advantage. Okay. And also keep in mind the current market price is testing the support, I'm sorry, testing the resistance of a very higher time frames like monthly on what do we call 6 months and 12 months, because this we had a rejection here in the year 2020 and sorry, 2021 there was a rejection, and the market came down, and then now market is again pushing upward. It is testing the same area, so the market can be hammered as well. So keeping that in mind, please do trade. And to decide anything further, wait for this for current 4 hour candle to complete. We have more 2 hour 30 minutes. Once that is closed, then look for the trends or patterns whatever it is there in the lower time frame, and then take a trade, because after this closure the market can go straight up to here, because there is no uh, support or resistance zone at this point. Fine. So this could be helpful. So wait for the 4 hour candle to close, then look for the patterns or time frames in lower time frames, like as I said, daily. You can see this higher low. Once this is complete, based on that you can take up a trade. The further swings or trades, especially in GBPINR, I'll keep posting in the comments as well. And be patient, wait for it. And as I said, yesterday's USDINR, the Fed has interest rate increased it by 0.25. Now the current rate is 5.50. I expected some volatile in USDINR, but bad luck. I couldn't see any changes in the USDINR as well. So the market didn't move much further. Looks like it is already expected this, and now nobody is worried about there will be a change, because they already know what's the result is about. So maybe that could be the scenario in the market. So let's see. So once this breaks 82.2025 USD, then we can expect some bull movement. So till then, it is an indecisive move, um, because we are already in a crucial area, as I already said in the my previous videos as well. Um, so that is about USD and this GBPINR is in good shape. So you can consider this as well. Fine. Please do support me on my YouTube channel as well as my trading view. Please post your comments and feedbacks, which is helpful for me to post more videos as well. Thank you. Happy trading. Over and out.